All right, now that we've chased our threads, we want to connect these brackets to the frame. So we already have the nuts that are already welded into the frame from the factory. This is a shim that will go in between that. What that'll do is, in the final alignment of the rear end, this will allow us to adjust it either by adding or removing, but we want to keep one in there right now. We do have the frame upside down, so that is why we have this orientation now, where we have the flat part pointing to the sky. We want to slide this. We can actually start this with a few bolts, and because of the elongated holes there, we can slide that right in behind it.